Emma and I are having an adventure of our lifetime here in Alaska. It's so beautiful here. One of Bill's dreams is, once he walks out of his front door for the first time in over 4 years, is to have a campfire, sit around the campfire and chat and cook some meat over a fire. And so in honor of Bill, Emma and I decided to do just that. We also needed to get some campfire footage for the documentary. And so we decided to do this little experiment and reverse sear some steaks, but sear them over the campfire. And this is what that video is all about. We've got more videos with Bill coming up. I've got, probably 1,000 clips I've taken. So I'm still organizing and going through all of that. I'm going to get this quick edit out. We just filmed this at midnight last night. And then we're heading back over to Bill. These are going to be so good. We've reverse seared steaks at home many times on the smoker. Never like this. This is in the oven. I got it at 225, probably for 45 minutes or an hour. They're pretty thick. Now we're gonna take them out, put them on some sticks, sear them and get a nice crust, take them back in the house and eat them. Should be pretty darn good. All right, so I think these are pretty close. How good it's going.
Dude, are my eyebrows gone?
No, they're right there.
I don't feel them.
Oh, that side's good. Now let me see yours.
My steak. Here, give me your, I can hold that.
Just careful, it might be hot near the top. Just
it's
wait.
Hot.
All right.
It's really hot.
Go, go, go. The smoke's coming off. Go.
Burning my hand.
You need help?
It was just burning my hair.
It's pouring out. Don't drop them. Don't run too fast. She's got 2 steaks on a stick.
They're gonna get wet.
They're beautiful.
They smell so good. Oh, who's doing the clothes? Oh wait, I left it open. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Look at that beauty.
This is the steak. Oh my goodness, it literally looks perfect. First ever campfire steak.
Look, the bone goes like this. It's a T-bone. It's a T. So you have to cut like this, and then you get to chew it off.
Best steak ever, literally, no joke. It's perfect. It's like crispy. It's perfectly cooked how I like it, actually. It tastes so flavorful. Like, I taste butter, and there's no butter on it. It's just red mint salt. It's so good.
All right, should we eat now and be done playing with the videos?
Yeah.
You guys should try some Campfire Seared steaks. Those were fantastic. Hope you all enjoyed this little video. I have so much footage from Bill and meeting with him. A lot of that's going into the documentary, but I'm still going through all of it. We had to eat in the meantime, and this was actually around 11 o'clock at night. By the time we were done, it was midnight, and that's actually 3 o'clock Wisconsin time. So our sleep schedule's a little messed up. Eating a little bit later. We wanted to do the campfire in the dark. It's just more cinematic that way. So hope you enjoyed that little clip. Emma and I are getting up early tomorrow. We're going to edit some videos, and then we're heading over to my good friend Bill, and we're going to interview his brother. And I'm really looking forward to that. Emma and I have been planning this day and our interview with Bill and his brother. And we got some checklists, and we're prepared, and we're really looking forward to it. So thanks a lot for watching. Our Alaska adventure continues.